Hi, my name's Nick. I'm the head ski tester and ski buyer from Snowtrack Ski and Snowboard Store. I'm going to talk to you today about the Blizzard Rustler 9. Blizzard skis always give you really good performance, really solid under piste and plenty of grip, and I really enjoy grabbing a pair. It's one of my go-to skis when I get on test because I just know it's going to give you lots and lots of performance. Feedback from the rest of the team as well is pretty similar. They've got this really solid feeling underfoot and give plenty of drive and grip on the piste. The Rustler range are absolutely fantastic. What we really like about them is the metal through the ski, the titanal layer through the ski sort of stops around about here, making the tip of the ski really playful. So it's less demanding to punch the ski into turns, especially in the softer snow conditions. If you're getting off piste, then you know, there's not that real stiffness to roll the ski into the turn. It makes it really playful. Yet you still get plenty of bite in the ski. Profile wise, you've got the classic sort of camber underneath the foot, and then the rocker on the tail here and on the tip. But I think what sets this ski apart from a lot of the others is that just feeling of being able to release the edges really easily, but give you plenty of grip and performance. You can see we've got this mounted with a marker binding. It's usually what most customers go out into the store, and it's what we test it on. But there is a whole sort of range of options to go with it. In terms of where this ski would be suitable, or who would this be suitable for, it's kind of got between 92 and 94 mil underfoot, depending on the length you buy, and that really aims at someone who's going to be spending their time crossing between the piste and off-piste. So I would say this skier actively is looking for off-piste, is looking to grab into the off-piste if it's there, but is going to then be like, oh well, if it's a bit cut up or not so nice conditions, maybe there isn't any off-piste or it's absolutely solid, you can still map around on the piste and have plenty of performance out of this ski. So very versatile ski, very popular. Graphics look really strong on it this season, and I think this is going to be pretty popular feedback when people start getting out and testing it. Most common question we get asked about this is what size to ski on. To be honest, it's one of the things people always ask about. 172, 180, 188 are the sort of core sizes, 188 being the most popular. So again, I'd say 172 would be for someone a little bit smaller, less aggressive, 180 for someone sort of in the middle, and then 188 for sort of like bigger, burlier, chargier skiers. But as I say, with every single review, get in contact with us. It makes a big difference, making sure you've got the right ski and the right product in the right size, and we're always on the end of the phone, or message us, however you want to contact us. We'll be able to give you either myself or one of the team will be able to give you some advice and get the right size for you.